Tonight, we're back in Hillsborough for some championship action. It's Sheffield Wednesday versus Norwich. The Canaries are missing a few players tonight, like Josh Sargent, which is a pretty good player, and I think Sains is the top scorer in the championship at the moment, so hopefully Wednesday can keep him under control tonight. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, but anyway, let's get around Hillsborough. We've got a couple of Norwich fans here. Do you want to give your names?
I'm George. And Charlie.
What's your score prediction?
Oh, it could be absolutely anything, so I'm going for 3-all.
3-all?
Yeah.
No, I'm going to go 2-1 to Norwich.
Yeah, how would you say your season's going so far?
Up and down, but better than expected.
Didn't we? And then we did a good streak, and now we're drawing a lot. So.
Yeah, better than expected. Yeah.
Who would you say are players to look out for tonight?
I think you've got to say Boyes Signs.
Definitely Boyes Signs.
Do you like top scorer?
Yeah.
Scores from anywhere. Top scorer in the league,
Yeah, rattles them in from 20 odd yards, so yeah, he's our best scorer.
Yeah. We've got a couple more Norwich fans here. Do you want to give your names?
Yeah, my name's George. My name's Matt.
What's your score prediction?
3-1 Norwich. I'm going 2-1 Norwich.
How would you say your season's going so far?
Pretty wibbly wobbly. Got a lot of players out, which doesn't help.
Yeah.
It's okay when it goes well, and then when the wheels fall off, it really goes downhill.
Who would you say your best player is at the moment?
Signs, 100%.
Sains.
Yeah, he's got the
top scorer.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, lads.
Pleasure.
We've got a couple of Wednesday fans here. Do you want to give your names?
It's Rob.
Live. What's your score prediction?
Nicole.
Yeah, I'm Nicole. And what's your score prediction?
I'm going positive. 2-1. Pato comes on, gets the late winner, sets us up to beat United.
Anything tonight?
The defeat. So I'm going to say 1-1. I will take 1-1 against Norwich.
All right, okay.
After Saturday, especially.
Yeah, I would. 6-2 is just not good at all.
Yeah.
No. How would you say the season's going so far?
Unfortunately, some of the best wins have come away from home, and a lot of these lot have not seen them, so it seemed worse.
Yeah.
Leeds outclassed us here, Burnley outclassed us here, they outclassed us on Saturday here, so unfortunately, some wins have come away from home. If we'd won the other day, or got 4 points, which we should have had more this season,
we should have.
we'd have been miles higher up, and we wouldn't be having this conversation. You've asked us a bad time after the other day.
Yeah, well, you need to have some good form going into a derby though.
It'd be nice. It doesn't really matter though. I mean, all through 90s, we never hammered United, and we were miles better than them. They've beaten us when we should have beat them. You never know. You never know.
Yeah. Who would you say the best player is Wednesday at the moment?
Banner's Head and Shoulders our best player, but we shouldn't be relying on him still.
Yeah.
We shouldn't be relying on him still. Windass has his moments, but few and far between. Family were playing well.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, he's got injured. I don't know. Shea's got a little bit off the boil. Hopefully they're saving it for Sunday.
I won't be looking miles away.